like it.
Hey guys, are you looking for a tasty and refreshing snack that's perfect for any trip? Whether you are on a road trip, camping, or catching a flight, this quick vegan treat takes just 2 minutes to make. Stick around till the end for some easy swaps if you are not into any of the ingredients. Let's snack and keep your energy up for the adventures ahead. Okay, there is two options. So you can put leaves like this inside, or you can put as a decoration.
Hello, mango.
That's not
Hello,
this is mango.
cucumber.
Have a try.
That's a key.
Oh. And you didn't wash your face after the meal. That's not nice. Oh. Шатиру. Behind the scene, huh? But yeah, let's start.
My chai.
Your chai? Enjoy? You enjoy?
Yeah, boy.
Bravo, Mita.